Hi, I'm Kendra, the Cookie Master. Welcome to my kitchen. So today we're gonna make a prosciutto toffee chocolate chunk cookie. It's as delicious as it sounds. I'm gonna start with the dry ingredients by mixing those. So we have 1 cup of flour, we have 1 cup of oatmeal, I've set aside, and some baking soda. So we're just gonna whisk this around. After I finish this, I'm gonna set it aside and start creaming the butter and the sugar. And then what we'll do is pour this in the wet mix when we're ready. Logging in, trying to figure out what mix I'm doing. Ooh, this is messy. Oh, messy girl. But I'm making an adjustment to the bacon cookie. Instead, I'm gonna make it because I don't really eat bacon. So I eat prosciutto. It's the only pork I'll eat, right? So I'm making an adjustment by making a prosciutto cookie with toffee. Because my grandmother loves these bars, and I kind of do just a little bit, but I'm gonna put it with the prosciutto and it's gonna be delicious. And then, of course, chocolate. So don't fret, the cookie looks a little dry, but last time I did this, I thought I'd be smart and add another stick of butter, and that didn't work. So just trust it, it's good. Oh, it's good enough to break my paddle. Great. Now, we're gonna put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, which for me means 11. And then I just watch it for the last minute to make sure it doesn't get brown because I like them like really soft and chewy on that center. So into the oven we go. Just that. There we are. And voila. You did it. This is really good. I mean, I shouldn't say because I did it myself, but this is really good.